Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. This dictation is of 80 words per minute and of AP. The examination was conducted on 27th July 2000. This is the passage number 20 of, of the book, code number SL2A. Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very sincerely on my behalf and on behalf of my team for your warm welcome. I greet your association and I certainly feel that its work is highly useful for the people of our country. Before I reach your place, I did not know much about the importance of this place. I realized this fact within hours of my arrival here. In order to know one another better, it is very important to have direct contact. We have to see that this sort of relationship is developed in many areas. I assure that I shall make all efforts to open an institute of this kind in my own place. This will help to promote still better understanding between our peoples and make it possible for us to know one another better. I came to India on a visit of friendship at the invitation of the Indian government. My visit is of major significance for the improvement of the friendly relations between our countries and for world peace. The joint declaration signed by us sets forth the views of the statesmen of both countries on the most important aspect of the relations between us. It is not only highly important in strengthening the friendly relations between the two countries, but also of great international significance. We want all nations to be independent and to develop as they wish. We want them to promote their economy and culture in every way and to live in peace and harmony. We wish you success. We will do everything in our power so that the friendship between our countries, our peoples, may grow stronger and stronger. We are prepared to share our experience of science and engineering with you all. We are happy to note that as a result of our visit and the tasks we had with your Prime Minister and other leaders, agreement has been reached on a number of important questions connected with the further expansion of economic cooperation between the two countries. I must say that India is playing an important role in deciding international problems and establishing friendly relations between states. We are building and will continue to build our relations on the basis of the famous five principles of peaceful coexistence, in as much as these principles accord with the interests of all peace-loving nations across the globe and promote peace. My dear friend, I am in receipt of your letter of the 10th July and also the money. I am very sorry for troubling you quite often. I have paid the examination fee and I am studying hard. I am confident that I can get distinction this time. I thank you sincerely for the timely advice. I assure you that I am not wasting any money here. You may be aware that the hostel charges have been doubled from the first of this month. Besides, I had to get one set of clothes since the one set I brought from the village have all been torn. I am sincerely trying for a job nearer to my college. Once I join it, perhaps yours will be reduced. It is not proper for me to take advantage of your kindness, but I believe that God had provided me a friend like you. I shall study hard and achieve my goal. With regards, yours affectionately. That's all.